be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love. Do what's right. You believe in your days. Always inside. Outfit check. Here's what. Oh my gosh, I look so stunning. I know, guys, I look amazing. Okay. Let me put my glasses on. Yes. Ooh. Hoodies. I wish I could show you guys the full fit, but you know, it's fine. It's what else. I'll try and show you when I leave here. Okay. Toodles. See you. I don't know how people do it. Eating sushi is a mission. Okay? And I said what I said. And that's it. What? But the sushi is not bad. I don't think I like this sauce. The prawns are not bad, honestly. Guys, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Because I am holding the chopsticks like a pro, okay? Don't play with me. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you stay and you become a part of our beautiful family. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and thank you so much for taking your time to watching yet another video. Of course, today is Sunday. You guys know I always start my vlogs on Sunday. So yeah, I'm coming to you guys with a new vlog today. I'll probably do like a couple days in my life kind of vlog or a weekly vlog. We will see. I'll just swing it. Not sure how that's gonna go. But yeah, so I went to church in the morning, and from church we went to obviously grab Sunday lunch, you know. But yeah, we went to like the Eden on the Bay in Big Bay, and yeah, it was amazing, you know. Of course the service was not that great, but yeah, it was just, you know, a good vibe. Everything was just chilled, you know. It was chilled. Yeah, you guys will see some clips of me trying sushi again. I always struggle to hold the chopsticks, but yeah. So yesterday was Saturday and I went to do like a little bit of maintenance, so I did like some lash refill. I'll probably put a video, like a short video of me showing you guys my lash refill. And I also did like my brows. I did a brow wax and tinting. So I did henna, and you know what, I like this. I've never done my brows before. I mean, I did do my brows before, but I did like threading and tinting, which was not a very good experience because threading is so much, like, it's too painful, and the tinting didn't go as I hoped. So yeah, I'm happy with the work she did. And I also did my braids. You know, I just want to give wigs a break, so I did my braids. I'll also insert a video showing braids only. And yeah, like, this is how I'm looking. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, and if you do, you know what to do. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And yeah, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm a bit tipsy, so don't mind me being so loud. But yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night. I think it's probably around 5 or past 5 or 6, I don't know, because you know I can't check the time. But yeah, I'll just call it a night. Tomorrow is back to reality. It's work, but we'll see how the week goes. We'll probably vlog here and there if there's anything interesting, but if there's not, you know, we'll just wait for the weekend. But yeah, that is basically all from me for now. See you when I see you. Bye. Hey darlings, welcome to the vlog. Yeah, I just want to do a little bit of unboxing. I got a few deliveries this week, so yeah, I just want to unbox those for you guys, and then yeah, we'll just take it from there. Okay, so I went to the doctor. You guys would have seen that before this unboxing. So I went to the doctor during the week to, you know, go for my second appointment, which has been long overdue. So yeah, I went to check the progress of my skin. I mean, I thought my skin was doing good, but he had something else to say, which is a story for another day. But yeah, so I had to order some things for my skincare routine, which obviously I can't get them from your local Clicks or Discam, so I had to order them separately from the website. So I'm gonna show you some of those. But yeah, they came in this box, so I got them from Demashaw, and I got this for, I don't know if you guys can see, but I got this Alpha Scalp. It's for anti-dandruff treatment and conditioner. So yeah, I got that. I mean, of course he didn't recommend it, but you know, it is what it is. And then I also got this cleanser, which is Derma Cleanse, jungle skin cleanser for sensitive skin. Excuse my nails, I know they're looking a bit ratchet, but you know what, we'll get them sorted out. But yeah, I got this cleanser. I'll probably put the picture, like the clear picture of the cleanser and the price on the screen. I don't know, but yeah, this is probably like 150 mils, which I really love this cleanser. I just don't like the fact that it makes my skin so dry, but I mean, what the doctor orders, I shall get. And then he also recommended this vitamin E moisturizing cream. And yeah, that is basically everything that I got. And some of the things he recommended, I had to get them from Clicks. So there was Retin A, which I don't even know where it is. I'll probably put a video or a picture of it. I'll take a picture of it and put it on the screen. And then he also recommended another cream called Skinorin, I think, but I don't have to get that now because I need to start using that from the 25th of September, and then obviously go back to the peels, which is Jeanette 35. So they work both as acne treatment and a contraceptive. So I didn't want Oratane, okay? I didn't want Oratane because you know what? I've had some bad reviews. So anyways, let me stop rambling. Moving on to the next thing. I ordered a few stuff from Takealot, which is I ordered a mic and also a studio light. So I got a mic, which obviously I will be unboxing for y'all. And then okay, and then the last thing that I will unbox is obviously the studio light. And yeah, I will probably use the mic along the video. I will definitely use it along the video because I want to test out the sound. So yeah, let's unbox this thing, okay? I think I'm gonna need a scissor. Oh, okay. Not necessary. Wow. Okay. Okay. No, what is all this? Okay. Ooh, check this out. Okay. Nice packaging. I don't know where I got it from. I know it's Takealot, but I don't know which store from Takealot. So yeah, I'll check that out. Put the details if you guys are interested. And now how do I open this thing? Okay, fancy. It's one mic. It's literally one microphone. I actually thought it was two. Why did I think it was two? Okay, so this is the actual thing. Okay, after such a long struggle, the mic is connected. I don't know, I'm just testing the sound, so I hope it actually sounds better. But yeah, it actually comes with a charger, which I wasn't expecting that. So it comes with this charging port that you obviously use when the microphone is low. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to hear how it sounds. Like super exciting. But yeah, actually I thought there was two of them, but there's actually one. But it's not a big deal. Oh god, I don't even know how I'm gonna show it because it's still wrapped. But yeah, I need a scissor. Okay guys, so I have been trying to figure out the light because it is I don't know, I feel like it's too bright. Of course I haven't figured out the actual settings, but yeah, I don't know how it looks right now, but you know what, obviously when I shoot again it's gonna be a bit better. But yeah, this light comes in with the remote and the adapter which connects it from the light to obviously the plug, and then the actual light and the tripod. But I'll probably like take I'll take a separate clip showing the light alone. And yeah, like it's too bright. I feel like it's too bright. Like I've switched off all the lights, I've closed the curtain. Of course it's still during the day, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. There's so many options. Anyways, that is basically all for this vlog. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy it, and if you do, you know what to do. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, you know how it is. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I will see you when I see you. Toodles. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I can't really talk much because they play music and I might be copyrighted, but happy Sunday. Today is Sunday and you guys know I always take my vlogs on Sunday. I mean, it's not a start of a new vlog, it's a continuation of a vlog. But yeah, just wanted to pop in and say hi. But there's nothing much really. Today, of course, we went to church. And then right now we're just having Sunday lunch. So yeah, I just wanted to show my face and say hello. I'll probably talk to you guys when I get home. I'll definitely talk to you guys when I get home because I have a few unboxing that I want to do. So yeah, until then, enjoy. We are in Century City. There was a band when we got here that was playing. I don't know if they're still gonna play, but yeah, it's so nice. Like it is, it's stunning. Man, it's stunning. I'll try maybe when I go to the bathroom and take a video of the whole place, but it's so beautiful. Like even the outside, like when you come in, it's just stunning. It's stunning. But yeah, anyways, that is all from me for now. I will see you guys when I get home. I'll talk to you when I get home because I'm just gonna do those unboxing and then call it a day. I'll probably end this vlog today because I don't think there's gonna be anything interesting happening during the week because it's basically just work. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you enjoy, you know what to do. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. And I will see you guys when I see you. Bye. Period. So, you need to see the when it's
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Square Cafe. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. It's a special afternoon as we wrap up Women's Month, and we thought
that's right.
we're gonna give you a treat to give you the all women's band.